Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bebird Earsight Plus ear cleaning camera, a game changer for ear care. The kit is well made and durable, and the 1-year warranty adds peace of mind. It is also lightweight and portable, making it perfect for home use or travel. It comes with a nasal spectrum, ear canal spectrum, tongue depressor, metal silicone wrapped ear spoon, double color Q elastic ear spoon, double color annular ear spoon, sponge ear spoon, plastic ear spoon, Tweezers component A and B, ear canal protective plug, lens brush, charging cable, accessory case and accessory tray. This tool combines modern technology with practicality, featuring a flexible ear scope and otoscope camera that provides a clear and detailed view inside the ear. The tool is easy to use, and the visual aid makes ear cleaning safer and more efficient for both adults and kids. The LED light ensures excellent visibility, while the flexible design allows you to maneuver comfortably. The earwax removal tweezers are precise and gentle, making the process hassle-free. It connects easily to your smartphone via an app that you download so you can view the camera on your phone while you are using the device. The app allows you to take photos and recordings, and also have different features for professional, adults, or children. It even has some relaxing music in the app. Whether for personal use or as a gift, this is an excellent choice for maintaining ear hygiene. I highly recommend it for its effectiveness and user-friendly design, and I hope this review helps.